As we grow older, many changes begin happening quietly inside the body. Memory may not feel as sharp as it once did. Energy levels may fluctuate more often. Blood pressure, cholesterol, and heart health become increasingly important concerns. At the same time, many adults start looking for simple foods that may help support healthy aging naturally. One food that continues to attract attention from researchers and nutrition experts is the walnut. Walnuts are often called nature's brain-shaped food because their appearance resembles the human brain. While their shape alone does not determine their benefits, walnuts are packed with nutrients that may support brain function, heart health, and overall wellness as part of a balanced lifestyle. The best part is that walnuts are simple, affordable, and easy to include in everyday meals. Why brain health matters more after 50. The brain controls everything from memory and focus to mood and decision-making. As people age, maintaining healthy brain function becomes increasingly important. Normal aging can affect processing speed, concentration, and memory. While occasional forgetfulness is common, many adults want to support their cognitive health for as long as possible. Nutrition plays a major role in this process. The brain contains a large amount of fat and relies heavily on healthy nutrients to function properly. Foods rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals may help support the brain's normal function over time. This is where walnuts stand out. What makes walnuts nutritionally unique? Walnuts are among the most nutrient-dense nuts available. They contain healthy fats, plant protein, dietary fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Most importantly, walnuts are one of the richest nut sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids known as ALA. Omega-3 fats are widely recognized for their role in supporting heart and brain health. Walnuts also provide nutrients such as magnesium, copper, manganese, vitamin E, and polyphenol. These compounds work together to support overall wellness and help protect the body from oxidative stress. This combination makes walnuts much more than just a convenient snack. How walnuts may support brain function. The brain requires a steady supply of nutrients to perform efficiently. The omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts may help support healthy brain cell structure and communication. Healthy fats are important because brain cells depend on them to maintain their protective membranes. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants. Oxidative stress is a natural process that occurs throughout life and may increase with age. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and support cellular health. Some studies suggest that diets rich in nuts and nutrient-dense foods may be associated with better cognitive performance and healthy aging. While walnuts cannot prevent or treat memory disorders, including them as part of a balanced diet may help support overall brain health. Many adults appreciate that supporting the brain does not always require complicated supplements. Sometimes simple foods can provide valuable nutritional support. How walnuts may support heart health. Heart health becomes one of the biggest priorities after the age of 50. The heart works continuously without rest, pumping blood throughout the body every second of every day. Research has shown that diets containing nuts may support cardiovascular wellness when consumed as part of a healthy eating pattern. The healthy fats found in walnuts may help support normal cholesterol levels already within a healthy range. Walnuts also contain fiber and plant compounds that contribute to overall cardiovascular health. Healthy circulation depends on flexible blood vessels and efficient blood flow. Nutrient-rich foods, such as walnuts, may help support these important functions. This is one reason walnuts are often included in heart-conscious diets around the world. The role of walnuts in healthy aging. Healthy aging is about much more than simply living longer. Most people want to remain active, independent, energetic, and mentally sharp throughout their later years. Walnuts may contribute to healthy aging because they provide multiple beneficial nutrients in one simple food. The combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, minerals, and plant compounds may help support the body's natural maintenance processes. Because walnuts are satisfying and nutrient-rich, they may also help people make healthier snack choices compared to highly processed foods. Over time, these small dietary improvements may have a meaningful impact on overall wellness. May walnuts help support healthy inflammation balance? Inflammation is a natural response that helps protect the body. However, long-term imbalances in inflammatory processes may affect overall health. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidant compounds that may help support the body's normal inflammatory balance. This does not mean walnuts cure inflammation or replace medical treatment. Instead, they may be one of many foods that support overall wellness when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Many nutrition experts recommend focusing on overall dietary patterns rather than relying on any single food. Additional benefits of walnuts. Walnuts offer benefits beyond brain and heart support. Their fiber content may help support digestive health and regular bowel movements. Their healthy fats may help increase feelings of fullness after meals, which may support healthy weight management. Walnuts also provide plant protein, making them a valuable addition to many diets. Because they are versatile and easy to store, they can become a convenient part of a healthy daily routine. Simple ways to add walnuts to your diet. One of the easiest ways to enjoy walnuts is to eat a small handful as a snack. They can also be added to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, salads, or homemade trail mixes. Some people enjoy sprinkling chopped walnuts over fruit or mixing them into baked recipes. Because walnuts are naturally rich and satisfying, a small amount often goes a long way. Consistency matters more than quantity. Regular inclusion in a balanced diet is generally more beneficial than occasional large servings. Other habits that support brain and heart health. No single food can replace healthy daily habits. Brain and heart health are usually supported through a combination of good nutrition, physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, hydration, and social engagement. Regular walking, strength exercises, reading, learning new skills, and maintaining meaningful relationships may all contribute to healthy aging. The foods we eat work best when combined with these healthy lifestyle practices. Although walnuts are highly nutritious, they are not a cure or treatment for any medical condition. People with nut allergies should avoid walnuts completely. Individuals with existing medical conditions or special dietary requirements should consult their healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. Natural foods are most effective when used as part of a balanced and sustainable lifestyle. Healthy aging does not require complicated solutions. Sometimes the most powerful habits are also the simplest. Walnuts provide healthy fats, antioxidants, fiber, and important nutrients that may support brain function, heart health, and overall wellness. While no food can stop aging, making smarter food choices every day may help support a healthier, more active future. And for many adults, one of those smart choices may be adding a small handful of walnuts to their daily routine.